How does carbonic acid cause ocean acidification? Imagine the ocean as a giant sponge soaking up carbon dioxide from the air. When too much carbon dioxide dissolves into seawater, it triggers a chemical reaction that changes the ocean's chemistry. This process is what scientists call ocean acidification. It might sound complicated, but it's really about how carbon dioxide interacts with water. When carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the ocean, it reacts with water molecules. This reaction creates a substance called carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a weak acid, meaning it doesn't fully break down, but it does split into smaller parts. It releases hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. The hydrogen ions are what make the water more acidic. The more carbon dioxide that dissolves into the ocean, the more carbonic acid forms. This causes the pH level of seawater to drop. The pH scale measures how acidic or basic a solution is, with lower numbers being more acidic. Normal seawater has a pH around 8.1, which is slightly alkaline. But as more carbonic acid forms, the pH can fall to about 7.8 or lower by the end of this century if emissions keep rising. That's roughly a 30% increase in acidity compared to pre-industrial times. This increase in acidity affects marine life, especially creatures that build shells and skeletons out of calcium carbonate. When hydrogen ions increase, they react with carbonate ions to form bicarbonate. This reduces the amount of carbonate ions available for animals like corals, mollusks, and some plankton to make their shells. Without enough carbonate, these animals find it harder to grow and stay healthy. Ocean acidification is a direct result of human activities like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests. These actions releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The ocean absorbs about 30% of this carbon dioxide, which helps slow global warming but causes changes in ocean chemistry. These changes threaten marine ecosystems and the many species that depend on them. Understanding how carbonic acid forms and causes ocean acidification helps us see why reducing carbon emissions is so important. It links the air we breathe to the health of our oceans and the creatures that live in them. Protecting these ecosystems is vital for maintaining biodiversity, supporting fisheries, and ensuring the well-being of coastal communities. By staying aware of this process, we can take steps to protect our planet's future.